Welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to a friend's house and we brought pizza from Blue Water Beach Resort Incorporated. Guys, we're in Mayakabak already and we don't know the way. We don't know if we're lost again. Where are we going?
Asa di mo na mo sa mayak?
Yeah.
Dili pa nga mari.
Oh,
Pari-para na lang mo ni pizza.
this is our deliciousness. How is it? How does it taste? It's so cute, guys. Oh, look at our chairs and our table.
Yeah.
This is their house. So peaceful. Basa. Bark.
Ay pa kaning.
So this is love. This is sauce also. Let's eat.
So this is how you eat
That.
egg shop.
You will be shocked first. I can't take a big bite. Uy.
Yes, you can. Open your mouth. Just open your mouth. Yes. There's a bite at the back. So sorry.
Roar, dragon. Ano siya? Basta na siya, okay pa.
Oh.
So guys, welcome to another vlog. Yes. Hello, sir. We are going to eat at Molly Bistro again because we are matatakaw people. Look at the sun, my skin. Yes. Hello.
Hi guys. So we're here. I'm the coordinator for today.
Yes.
But then nothing got coordinated properly. So yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Boss.
Yay! So guys, we are going to eat again.
Yes, vlog takeover. So today we are going to go to another house
Again.
again. Same owner but another house
Oh,
to eat mongos.
yes, cinco tacos.
Yes.
Oh, there's third lechon.
Lechon.
Oh, let's walk faster, guys.
Yes.
Because we will
Time
just
check
walk.
is 5. We're actually late about 30 minutes because
Yes.
that
That
girl,
Yes.
that girl did not inform. But
yes.
it's okay.
This is the intro. So guys, we will just walk because we don't have money for a tricycle. So guys, we are, I think, how many meters is that away from
We've already walked 1 mile. 1 mile.
1 mile? So it's been almost an hour. Char. I think we've been walking for almost an hour.
I've been walking for forever. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know how long is it going to take to get us there, but
We're getting there.
yes, no matter what,
Oh, termo syempre. Wow, gutom na. So
in the name of
guys,
lechon.
Yeah,
Diba,
dara,
iskina naman dira, oh.
we're almost there. Let me show you guys.
We
You
can
see
see
that?
the silver lining.
That's the silver lining.
Yes.
We're here, guys. Finally after Ali's there. Wow, this is our food, guys. Hello. Look at the food.
Our favorite is here.
Yeah, pitong lechon.
You can just eat
Sab sinabuang tao.
Lechon.
Kanin.
Lechon.
Lechon. Mongos.
Lechon.
Mongo.
Ay,
Right,
Kitchen. Kitchen.
Oh, look at our food, guys. It's still so hot. Oh my god. Yes. Vlogger queen. Yes. Mm.
Pang deluxe, ma'am. Okay. Alright. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so as you can see, I just washed my face and I think that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching the most random vlog that I uploaded. By the way, as some of you know, I'm currently living in Panglao, and if you do have some suggestions of which restaurants we'll be visiting next, comment down below so my friends and I will try it, because as you can see in some of my vlogs, we're so matatakaw. We're so lang mapatay gutom. So again, thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!